Glock 45, Radian Ramjet, all OEM parts. Let's see if it runs. Welcome back to The Right Gun. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Help me grow this channel and the community. Well, today I have a surprise for you. I followed the crowd and I got the Radian Ramjet. And I'll be honest, I can't remember if it's called the Radian Ramjet Afterburner or just the Radian Ramjet. Regardless, you guys know what I am talking about. So when I got this, I was thinking, what is something different that I can tell you, show you on this review recommendation of the Radian Ramjet, I'm just going to call it the Radian Ramjet, that you're not getting on some of the other YouTube reviews. And that is, I haven't seen anyone definitively talk about using and showing on video the Radian Ramjet with the OEM spring recoil assembly from Glock. So everything on this Glock is stock, no work done. This is the factory, you can see spring recoil assembly from Glock. OEM spring recoil assembly. We're gonna see if it runs. All right, I got my Bono YouTube safety glasses on. Glock 45, Radian Ramjet, all OEM parts. Let's see if it runs. Got a metal target out there at about 10 yards. I do want you to notice the barrel, as far as I can tell, that is in battery. So everything is flushed, pushed tight to the front. Glock 45 with the Radian Afterburner Ramjet. Glock 45 with the Radian Afterburner Ramjet.